Here we are back once again with a brand new adventures with Mr. and Mrs. Ravenmonkey. And this week we're heading straight up north to Lovina. We are going to go and see some dolphins and checking out Aling Aling waterfall. So come and join our adventures and we can't wait to share them with you. Today we're off to Lovina, which is about up north for about 2 hours. So we've never driven that far before, so wish us luck. And we got Ben and Simone, who are the coolest people, to join us as well. So let's go.
As always, we're setting off first thing in the morning, as this is to be the longest journey across the whole of the island, so we were not too sure how long it could be with a couple of stops in between.
Good idea before you go on a long journey is to definitely get your bike serviced. So things like the brakes and tyres and maybe even an oil change if you're going on a long journey. All this driving has given us a huge appetite to eat some breakfast.
Oh, I remember them ones. It was called Our Real Monsters. I don't know if anyone's told you, but the book's been cancelled. We don't have a license. No, we don't have a license.
We've done the drive-in. That was probably the best drive I think I've ever been on. So for the time that we spent there, we were staying at Melamun. It was a hotel and chocolate spa, but I couldn't see any chocolate. Oh, very chilled out. I like this place. Very relaxed. Loads of fishing boats. And very super chill. And tomorrow we're going out to go swim with some dolphins. So it should be good. We get a boat between us lot. Good. It's good.
Can't wait. So we arrived in Lovina after what should have taken 2 hours. Took us half a day.
Half a day.
We stopped, and it's been so beautiful.
It's been the best ride for me on the motorbike.
Yeah.
I absolutely loved it. It was so nice. Going downhill all the way. Definitely need your brakes because some of it is properly steep. It's a really nice, like sea village kind of style here, isn't it?
Yeah, super chill and the proper dolphin theme everywhere. Can't wait to see some dolphins tomorrow.
Oh, it'll be brilliant. Nice spending this time together, getting away and doing a bit of travelling around Bali. It's great stuff. You ready?
Lovina is known for having black volcanic sand, and unlike the south, it's a super chilled vibe and very quiet, no waves at all.
Next day, we woke up bright and early and met our guide Krisnawan, who was going to take us out on his boat.
As soon as we arrived in Lovina, we were approached by many people during the afternoon to go on a boat to see the dolphins.
We chose Krisnawan, who was super friendly and very happy to take us on his boat. We came to a price and also he threw in some snorkeling as well. Off we go!
As so often with these tours, they come with great promises and some expectations of seeing dolphins.
And there they were, a pod of dolphins literally steps away from the boat. What a beautiful sight. We're out looking for some dolphins this morning, and boy are they gorgeous.
Let's go.
These jukungs are originally built for fishing, but the owners have cleverly attached a swing to it so that us tourists can view the sea life or underwater whilst in movement. Tip for the ladies, wear your bathing suit. There's less chance of losing your bikini bottoms.
Go further out.
1 hour drive.
Wow, and how big the tuna?
The tuna.
How big are the fish, the tuna?
Sometimes the big and more big.
Wow.
But
Wow.
not sure because like I tell you, that's gambling.
Yeah,
When have the good lucky, every week got the big one.
I like that, you call it gambling. Oh wow.
Oh yeah, look.
Do you see him, Phil?
Oh, over there. Visibility under the water was great. You got to see so far and see the dolphins as well as lots of other sea animals.
After a while, we also went out snorkeling, so it goes on for about 2.5 to 3 hours. So another top tip would be to bring a long sleeve if you have one.
That was really
How was
cool.
that?
That was amazing.
Enjoyed that?
Yeah, yeah. Dolphins. I wasn't expecting to see any, but when we did, Ben's known to jump in as well with them. So yeah, it's really lovely morning.
You're good, no?
To go back. Yeah, it's one of the best. Lovely jumping in that ocean. Very natural. Actually put on the National Health Service for making you feel relaxed. It was
Yeah.
amazing. Beautiful. Right,
stuff.
lunchtime. Let's go. Waterfall of. Can he wait? Our stay at the Melamun was very comfortable. It's close to the beach, has great rooms and a lovely swimming pool. Also, all the staff are very friendly and eager to please us. Give us your best Arnie impersonation. I'll be back, Mr. Cyberbean. Vorbis. This way.
There are a couple of interesting waterfalls worth visiting in the area of Lovina. We decided to go to Aling Aling.
After about half an hour's drive, we arrived at Aling Aling waterfall, and for the entrance price you get a guide who can show you around as well. Can you drink it?
Well, I could. For me, it's drinkable though, but for you, I don't really know that because we probably got this different immunity, you know.
Yeah.
'Cause, me myself, I grew up in this area, so I just got used to it. You probably have better quality of water in your country back home there. You filterize the water and all the things. I proved that a couple of times, but doesn't mean I tell you to do that. That's why you water, cold water. I think that's enough for you though. All right?
Thank you. Yeah, Pat? Some words?
Beautiful, eh?
Yeah, man. Up there. Oh, I want to see some snakes. Come on. Aling Aling waterfall has 3 jumps, 5, 10 and 15 metre drops. Lots of people come to the edge but don't jump over. Will Raver Monkey and Patty do it?
Coconut. It's really good. It's like deep fat fried. Really tasty. Woody got another packet on the way home.
That waterfall was something else. Shame I didn't jump in at the 10 and 15, but there's always next time. What a nice way to spend the day, and now it's off to go and get some nice food, relax and chill for our last day. It's been really good. So yesterday we saw the dolphins and the waterfall, and now our slow kind of journey back through the mountains of North Bali, and then slowly head back. No motorways or anything, nice and chilled ride home today, which would be really nice, and hopefully stop off somewhere, either a waterfall or hot spring. But really recommend this area. Lovina's been great, Pat's really enjoyed it, and some of our friends as well. So come and join us on our journey, and we're going to take it nice and chilled all the way back to Canggu. So where are we going today, love?
Actually, no idea. Ben is the master of direction
I
today,
showed
so we're just following.
the map, so you got it in there. Oh.
Mr. Ben Seago's a bit of a legend. We're going to put you on YouTube, Benny boy.
No.
We're following Ben today, so if anything goes kaput, we know it's by after. Super Cyber! Big love, you ready? Let's go.
On our way back, we drove through the stunning area of Munduk, which is definitely worth a visit. For our lunch, we stopped at Munduk Heaven Luxury Villas, which had a beautiful restaurant and super tasty food, with amazing views as well. Are you going in the pool, Phil?
I'd love to have a little dip in the pool. I think it's alright, I need to hotel.
Down.
Yeah, it'd be cool to drive soon. It'd be nice though.
It's like a roller coaster. Whoa! Scream if you want to go faster.
And all of a sudden it started pouring down on us.
This Bali weather is no match for us. We had our blue poncho, so we put that on. Unfortunately for Ben and Simone, they had no waterproofs, but as troopers, they powered on regardless.
What is up, Philip?
I'm tired, man. It's been a long journey. We're going all the back streets. So we've had rain, we've had mud, we've had dust terrain, and now it's cleared up. So yeah, now
So it's cleared up.
We've got a pretty area. I don't know where we are, but yeah, it's nice doing this way.
Ben is wringing his clothes. What an amazing trip it's been, with friends and all.
We hope you enjoyed the journey and hopefully see you guys soon.